Hello everyone, welcome back to the next LeetCode video. So yeah, missed the question on 1st of April, but yeah, I will solve the question today. So question for 1st of April is length of the last word. You can see the question on the left hand side, sorry. So what we will have is a string and it can, have multiple values, and what we have to get is the length of the last word. Yeah, we're starting the one with a very easy question. And I did not expect a spoiler from LeetCode. But okay, so let's go to the code space. It's quite a easy solution, so I won't really use the whiteboard either. So we'll have, store one variable which stores the max length of it, last word length is 0. Then for C in, what I'll do is we'll reverse the string. So we'll start from the end because we want the last word, and we'll basically count the number of characters until we see a space. Okay, so -1 if the character that I have right now is a space and my last word length is not equal to 0, which means that it's not the first character from the last one, which basically means that, let's say, if the string has space in the end, for example, like here, 2 spaces, it will skip these and then start counting from here. So if C is space and last word is not equal to, not equal to 0, then in this scenario we'll have to break out of the loop. Otherwise we'll continue increasing the value here, and lastly we'll just return. Let's see, let's run this. Okay, what happened? Flying into the room. 1. What happened? Wait. If C is space and last word not equal to 0, it is equal to 0. Wait. Oh yeah, my bad. We also have to add this. Basically, if C is not equal to space, then we have to increase. There we go. Now it should work. There we go. And I'll submit. Done. 53%. There are better solutions, I understand. For example, you can just use split to split all the values. Yeah, there we go. Words equal to split, and then return the last length of the last word. But yeah, I just wanted to not use that function, the split function, and find out a solution for that. And this is the solution. I'll see you in the next one.